What are we doing today? Well, we're working on the Mustang today. As you saw in the previous video, I did talk about this, but I totally forgot. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna install this transmission mount insert from Energy Suspension. Let me talk about this real quick. So this product right here eliminates any excessive movement from the transmission during shifting, cornering, things like that. This is going to stiffen up the transmission mount because the Mustang transmission mounts are very soft. So this is going to help it so you get better shifting feel and things like that. So we're going to install this today. I heard great things about it. I know other companies make mounts like this. Companies such as Steeda, White Line. But I liked Energy Suspension because they've been around for a long time, and also I like this design better, and I'll show you why. So this is the part number right here. The packaging is really good because obviously this product is very high quality. So you get the mount itself. You also get some instructions for it. But I'll be teaching you this anyway, so you don't really need this right now. So let's put the packaging on the side, and this is the mount right here. Very high quality, as you can see. So the reason why I like this one better is because it's a two-piece mount. So this side right here, slips onto the transmission mount, and this side right here holds it all together like a sandwich. Other mounts like from White Line or Steeda, they just have this right here and it just slips on, and that's about it. But this one's gonna have this extra piece to secure the mount in place, which is great. So we're underneath the car. We have our jack holding our transmission in place, and this is the bracket that we're gonna be working on. The transmission mount is actually on the top of it, up here. So you're gonna move this bracket in order to get access to the transmission mount itself. So you have these two nuts right here. You remove those, and I believe those are 5/8, and then you have 4 bolts holding the rest of the bracket up, and those are 3/4. So you're gonna go ahead and remove that bracket so we can get access to the transmission mount. Alright guys, so this is the mount after we remove the bracket. This is how it looks. So as you can see, there's cavities in there. This is where the insert goes. Look how loose this looks. Like, I can literally move it with my hand. I don't know if you can tell in camera, but like, I'm moving it. So these mounts are very soft, and they mess with your shifting. So we're gonna fix that today. We're gonna grab this because this is what we need. Maybe I should use some sort of fluid or something, or so I can slide in there, but let's try it and see how it goes. So plan B, sliding this insert into the mount while it's in the transmission, it's really hard. So I'm gonna remove the entire bracket and work it outside the car. Alright guys, this is what we have. I took the mount off the car because it's much easier. So it takes away this gap and cavity that you have by design on this mount. So this is my problem right here, what I had earlier. I couldn't install it in the car. So it's gonna be much easier to install if I just step on it like this. So I'm gonna continue working this until it's flush. Alright guys, so this is what we have. You see, no more gap. And then this side is nice and flush. Let me see if I can get it in the light. There you go. Now we're gonna install the other side that goes here. And this secures it. This secures the mount on the car. So as you can see, it locks it down in place. I think it's a great design. Other companies do not do this. Make sure it goes through on the other side. We gotta push this side, so you don't want that, you want this. So this is the final product. Excellent build. I love this design a lot versus all the other companies. So now we're gonna install this back in the car. You know, do the same thing you did while removing it. I'm not gonna show you that because that's gonna make the video a lot longer than it should. So I'll check in with you guys once it's installed. Install the bracket back. Make sure you have all your bolts and nuts torqued up. The car's on the ground. Now we're gonna go off for a ride. We're gonna test out this insert. By the way, I am loving this car. The interior on this, it's amazing. So, but the car hasn't been started today, so we're gonna do a nice cold start. Wow, that sounds good. Alright, I'm gonna wait until this warms up and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. So far the car has 1,300 miles. A lot of fun in those miles for sure. I absolutely love this car. Nice. I love it. First impressions about this mod that we just did. So I drove it about 10 miles just now. It made a huge difference. It actually made a big difference in regards the shifting. Everything seems more dialed in. Definitely more crisp. Like, I don't know, every time I shift in between gears, there's no like guessing. It goes right into gear every time. So yeah, definitely a nice improvement. Installation time, it takes about maybe 2 hours. So you know, if you take your time, you setting up, jacking up the car and everything, it takes a little bit of time setting up. So the mod itself is very easy to do. So I highly recommend it for any 2015 and up Mustang owners for sure. I'll put the part that I use down in the description, so you guys can order it if you want to. Thank you so much for watching. Give a thumbs up to this video if you like. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the bell next to the subscribe button. I absolutely love this view right here. Anyway, alright guys, thanks for watching. Until the next one, peace.